it's your girl Ashley, and I'm back to do another video. And this video is going to be a little haul with some things I got from ShopMissA.com. Now, if you're unsure what ShopMissA is, it is pretty much an online accessory store with all types of girly accessories. They have makeup, they have jewelry, they have sunglasses, they have necklaces, they have earrings, they have rings, they have bracelets, they have hair accessories, they have everything you could possibly think of on their website, and every single thing is $1, just $1. So I will definitely leave a link down below to their website so you can go and check it out. So my package came a few days ago, and I did already open it because I didn't remember some of the things that I ordered, and I said, hey, why don't I come on here and show you guys some of the things that I got. I only got a few items, didn't get too much things. I just wanted some extra makeup items and little trinkets and accessories. So yeah, I'm about to show you guys the things right now. Okay, so everything came wrapped up nicely in their little, you know, packaging paper thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it here. So the first thing I got is this travel mirror, and it is by Elf. And it's pretty much just a compact mirror, so whenever I'm like, if I'm on the plane and I want to like touch up my makeup or things like that, or if I'm on the road and I just want to touch up, at least I have a little mirror to use, because sometimes when I use the mirror on my little powder, my clothes sometimes gets messy, especially because I live in black leggings. Like, I live in leggings, and then the brown powder gets on it and it's like a little stain. So I wanted to just get a mirror that was just a plain mirror, that's it. So I got this one, and it is white, and yeah, it was $1. Second thing I got was this pack of eyebrow razors, and it comes with 3 eyebrow razors in it. And I just brought this because I do my own eyebrows. I haven't gone to get a wax done in like 2 years or something, because I just do my eyebrows myself. And this is cheaper. Buying 3 for $1 is a lot cheaper than buying 1 for 99 cents at the beauty supply store. So yeah, I just picked up those. And I also got 2 pairs of sunglasses, and they look like this, and I will show them each to you. So this is the first pair of sunglasses, and you're gonna see my reflection in the lenses, but this is the first pair of sunglasses, and I just think they're so cute. I love the chain detailing on the top. It just makes it look so, like, you know, trendy and things like that. And it's just regular black, no designs on the handles, but I absolutely love these glasses. And this is the second pair of glasses. It has a bit of a cheetah print frame around them, and I'll just try these one on so you guys can see them. And this is what these ones look like, and they're nice and regular and simple, not too dramatic or anything like that. And this is perfect for like everyday use. Okay, so the next few items that I did get are makeup items, and they're just in this little packaging here. So I'm gonna go and show you what they are. So the first thing I got is this little mini palette called Smoky, and it's by the brand Santee. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it pretty much a trio palette, and it comes with these 3 shades. So there is like a light whitish shade, a brown shade, and a darker brown shade. And I will go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So that is what the white shade looks like. That is what the brown shade looks like. And this is what the dark brown shade looks like. And I'll put them on my hand so you can see them. And this is what they look like on my hand. I know it looks kind of messy, sorry, but this is the dark brown color, the lighter brown color, and the light color. And I pretty much just got this just so I have a mini palette, because I don't want to travel with too much big bulky palettes, because I am going on vacation. So I don't want to carry like these big palettes with me. I just don't want to travel with such a big bulk, so I try to get like little mini palettes and things like that. So I got that one. And I also got another little mini palette, but this is just one color eyeshadow, so it's pretty much just an eyeshadow pot. And this one is by LA Colors, and I got this in the color terracotta, and it's just this really pretty orangey salmon color, and that's what it looks like. And it has a cute design in the eyeshadow too, which I think is really cute. And this is what this color looks like on my finger, and then this is what it looks like on my skin. See if you guys can see that there. And I just think it's really, really pretty. This would be perfect to use as a transition color, and this would also actually also be really cute as like a blush color too. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out and to see how I can, you know, use this color. And of course, this was also $1 on their website. These next two products I'm really excited to try out because a lot of bigger known brands have products just like this, and I've always wanted to try them out, but I just haven't. And I decided when I was on ShopMissA's website that I would just try it out to see if they work. And they're pretty much eyeshadow sticks, and these are the two that I got, and these are by the brand Clean Color, and I got one in a gold color, and this color is called Amber Glow. And I got this one in a rose gold color, and this one is called rose gold. It's actually called rose gold. So I'll do a swatch for both for you guys so you guys can see what they look like. And these are actually really, really pretty. Like, these are actually very pretty. So this is what the colors look like, and oh my gosh, the quality is amazing. They're very pigmented. This is so pretty. And I was actually skeptical because, you know, when you buy things that are kind of like a cheaper brand, sometimes they're not as pigmented or they're kind of clumpy and stuff, but these are actually really, really pretty. Like, the payoff is very, very nice. Like, that gold color low-key could probably be used as a highlighter. So yeah, that is actually so, so pretty. I love these. I cannot wait to try them out and show you guys how they work like on a makeup routine. And the last makeup item I got is an eyeliner, and it's by LA Girls, and it's just their regular black eyeliner because I don't have a black eyeliner. So I decided to get one so that I could add it to my collection. So yes, those are all of the things that I got from ShopMissA's website. I will leave a link down below to all of the products so you guys can go ahead and pick them up. But they have so much stuff on their website, and the shipping to Canada is awesome. It's only like $6 or something shipping to Canada, so that is amazing. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up and leave any questions or concerns down below. And if you guys have any requests on videos you guys want to see me do, then please also leave those down below. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye!